What to do to start a successful YouTube channel in 2022. This video is especially for beginners and I consider myself a beginner on YouTube, even if I have 12-year knowledge and experience in online marketing. I want to share with you 7 steps that I'm following to grow my YouTube channel from scratch, and these tips are valid no matter what your niche is. Indeed, I published the first video on this channel on February 7, 2022. Here is why. I've always worked behind the scenes by helping professionals and small business owners create their brand online. After 12 years, I made the decision to share my knowledge and experience in the English market to impact even millions of people worldwide, but you have to start from scratch. This can be frustrating, but exciting at the same time. It all depends on your point of view. Why should you watch this video till the end? Because I'm going to share with you what really matters to grow a YouTube channel in 2022. Before sharing these 7 steps, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, tap on the like button as well, and thank you. Let's start with the step 1, consistency. This is not a strategy, this is not a tactic, but the most powerful mindset you need to adopt if you want to grow your channel. You have to start with the right attitude, otherwise you have already lost before posting the first video. Consistency is the key. You will hear me repeatedly say this. Consistency is the key for success in business and in life. I want to be very honest with you. Especially today, in 2022, posting a single video per week or posting 2 videos the first week and 1 video the next week is the exact recipe for failure. My posting schedule is not for everyone, but I committed to create one of the most important business channels in the next 3 years. So, my time frame is not 1 month, not 6 months, not 1 year, but 3 years. This is a long-term strategy. At the moment I'm recording this video, I'm posting 7 videos per week, 1 video per day. To be more precise, 5 long videos, 10 minutes long, from Monday to Friday, and 2 shorts on Saturday and Sunday. I know perfectly that it involves hard work and it is supposed I have the knowledge and experience to stay on track for the next 3 years minimum. If you want to be successful, you have to pay the price in advance. Step number 2. Identify the topic of your channel. This is crucial. Let me give you my example. My channel is about marketing, business, entrepreneurship. I help people become high-paid infopreneurs by teaching them the skills and the right mindset. I think that every human being deserves an opportunity to create a business, regardless of the social status or the level of information they have at this specific moment. Every one of us needs a chance to create a better life. For this reason, I published different types of content related to these topics: marketing online, business mindset, entrepreneurship, and motivation. As you can deduce, I do not niche down. There are multiple reasons why I made this decision. First, entrepreneurship is not only about skills and strategy, but it involves the correct mindset and motivation. Secondly, I need to channel, direct people, and bring people's attention to my marketing stuff. The more engagement I get, the more the algorithm will promote my content. And by having a super small niche, you will be struggling with growing your channel and having a sustainable business. Step number 3. Identify what others are searching for on YouTube. Think about it. YouTube is the second search engine in the world. The first is Google, and Google owns YouTube. You need to understand this. Think about how Google works. You go to google.com, you type some keywords to find the topic you are searching, and the most relevant results, based on Google's opinions, will appear. Have you ever noticed that most results from Google are YouTube videos? People are looking to fix a problem and you provide the solution, both on YouTube and Google. So you don't have to publish content randomly, but based on what people are searching, especially at the beginning. The question is, based on the topic you want to talk about in your YouTube channel, what people are looking for? Which keywords and key phrases are they typing to find the information about the topic you want to share? All this relevant data can be discovered by using powerful software such as TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that lets you get more views and increase subscribers by providing tools that help you optimize your content in the fastest time possible. For example, it provides advanced keyword research to help you find high-performing, searchable video topics and then craft the perfect titles and tags. Discover all the features of TubeBuddy by clicking on the link I put in the description exactly below this video. Step number 4. Scheduling your content. I have always said that preparation is fundamental to reach any level of success you want. In my content creation strategy, I work 2 weeks in advance. It means that this video you are watching now was recorded 2 weeks ago. To keep track of my publishing schedule, I use a powerful free tool named Google Drive with a simple Excel file where I put all the important data to share with my team. Indeed, there are 3 people that are working to publish my content in 3 social networks: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Manuel manages YouTube, Instagram and TikTok positioning strategy, such as hashtags, keywords, etc. He analyzes all the data in order to improve the strategy, and in addition, he creates all the thumbnails on my YouTube channel and Instagram profile. Christian is our excellent video editor. Without him, it's pretty impossible to create these fantastic videos, and he corrects all my mistakes I make during the recording process. Then there is Drumit, an astonishing graphic designer for Instagram carousels. Guys, thanks so much for being part of this fantastic journey. Step number 5. Microphone and video editing. You may be wondering, Max, why are you talking about the microphone and not the camera? Are you serious? Yes, I'm not joking. Here's the thing. Today, you can buy practically any camera for $500 or $700, and the video quality is impressive. I'm using a Sony ZV-1 and its video quality is unquestionable. And keep in mind that I'm not recording in 4K, just Full HD 1920 multiplied 1080. It's more than enough. Instead, an essential tool is the microphone. Indeed, you can watch a video with a low-quality image, but you won't watch a video with bad audio. I'm using this microphone because I have already bought it for live events, but I'm considering buying the Shure SM7B, perfect for YouTube podcasts and video courses. It is the most used microphone from the best YouTubers. Regarding the video editing process, I want to tell you 2 important things. First of all, do not worry too much when you record the video. You can make practically any mistake and fix them in the editing process. Secondly, the editing process could be overwhelming. It all depends on the amount of details you want to add to your video. Overlay text, slides, images, screen recording, etc. I know it takes time. You need to find a balance, especially at the beginning, to create videos with good editing without spending too much time, especially if you start alone. If you put your face in front of a camera, the fastest editing process is to change the zoom of your face, as Christian does in my videos. It grabs people's attention during the entire video. I suggest you watch the mini-series I published on this channel regarding how to create an online course. You will find lots of tips and tricks to produce useful content, especially for a YouTube channel. I put the link here and in the description below this video. Step number 6. Provide the best value. If you want other people to subscribe to your channel, you have to give them a reason why and more than one. Every video you produce needs to provide the best value, information and experience based on the topic you are sharing. Pay attention to this mindset. I started from scratch with 0 subscribers as other content creators. On the flip side, my attitude is focused as if my channel already has 1 million subscribers. By doing so, I put a lot of effort into creating valuable content to reward my actual subscribers and to get new subscribers. I don't focus on my actual results, but on the achievements I want to reach. This is a critical attitude to pursue. Step number 7. Combine the YouTube channel with Instagram and TikTok. This is an additional strategy that I'm pursuing. I'm directing Instagram and TikTok users to my YouTube channel. It helps a lot to increase subscribers and to provide more deep content to people who follow you on other social networks. I know perfectly that there is additional content to produce, even in these social networks, but this is what I'm doing right now. It takes time and a lot of patience. Perfect! Let's do a brief recap of the 7 steps to start a YouTube channel in 2022. Step 1. Consistency. Step 2. Identify the topic of your channel. Step 3. Identify what others are searching for on YouTube. Step 4. Scheduling your content. Step 5. Microphone and video editing. Step 6. Provide the best value. Step 7. Combine the YouTube channel with Instagram and TikTok. And that's it. If you find the information I shared valuable, or if you think this information can help other people, feel free to share the video with anyone you want. It's a pleasure for me, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, type on the like button as well. And let me know your point of view by leaving a comment below this video. Keep in touch in the next episode.